Brain Corp provides automated floor care solutions as well as inventory management solutions for a wide range of customers in the grocery and industrial spaces.
We had a problem where we could not process critical transactions without reliance on a third-party company. The problem was finding a way for our architects and administrators to provide the service we were looking for, getting the business transactions processed in an efficient, effective manner without relying on another company.
We didn't have like the skill sets of a developer to do the integrations. With Workato's tool, we were able to use it and build things quickly and avoid having to learn new skills of coding or developing.
So what Workato does is it kind of takes away all that segmentation. It's going to allow us to really streamline our efficiency and streamline our connections, but it's also going to allow us to save a lot of money.
Their low code, no code has just enough flexibility that allows us to bring in the integrations we need, connect the systems together, and get us up and running. Workato reached out as the great partner they are, and they offered to help. They said, hey, we see this working, we see usage increasing. Why don't we come have an enablement session on site?
Workato Day had the biggest impact in just the face-to-face communication, to be able to talk to the solutions architect and the customer success team with Workato because they were such experts on the platform.
It lets me know and lets the business know that you guys really care about what we're trying to do as a business, and you're really here to help.
Workato team is helping us build a roadmap. They didn't just come in, do a big event, celebrate everything, and then say, okay, you guys got it. We're going to keep that momentum going and get the value out of what we're doing.
I truly believe they want to see Brain Corp succeed. They want to see all of their customers succeed. So the Workato Day, I believe, was a testament to the partnership to help us to enable and unlock value from what we've already purchased. The next step that we need to take at Brain Corp is really identifying how to measure the improvements and how to prioritize which areas of the business have the most pain. It's also really helpful to know that Workato has professional services available. We have a way to get hands-on keyboard helping us to then keep our employees free to do the tasks that only they can do.
The more and more we do and the better things get, then the more our company will want to lean in.
Moving forward, I think we have such a great accelerator, and we're going to have great adoption throughout all business units in the company to be able to automate processes and produce more within a shorter time frame.